So here are the concepts. Concepts list. We learned about the database introduction, installation. Okay, so we learned about SQL Server installation, SSMS tool installation, then SQL basics, and after that we learned Excel imports and schemas, right? Schemas and transfer. You remember? Yes, please. You remember transfer keyword, migrating across schemas. Please, hope you remember.
Yes, remember.
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. Yes. Okay. Next. How to maximize this? Anyway, things already there. Yeah. Okay. And then we learned about. Yes. So here we go. I'll just beautify it. Yep. Then we learned about RDBMS concept and constraints. And then we learned joins basics, right? Isn't it? Whenever we define a primary key, yeah, indexes basics. Whenever we define a primary key, clustered index is auto created. Then and then we learned about joins basics, joining two tables. Then we got the concept of objects like views, procedures, function, triggers, all the core concepts we learned. And then our next item, you have, after we learned all these core concepts, just wait friends. Yes, just wait, I forgot to mute my mobile. Then after triggers, come on, what else we learned? Please hope you remember. Yes, after triggers, what else we learned? Please check. I think you got one case study as well, right? On all these items, we got one case study on all these items. By the way, did you practice that system predefined functions Tuesday's class? System functions, is it done, everyone? Please let me know.
Yes,
Please,
for me, I practiced.
Fine. Next comes database architecture and transactions. Okay, we'll do next. This is our next activity we are going to learn today. These are all related to each other. Okay, I'm just giving the categorization of concepts. These two are relevant to each other. From transactions comes temp tables, system database called temp DB, from their temp tables, normal forms and data types. Okay, we are going to learn these items next. And these base activities should be fine to step into data engineering, Power BI, DBA, Power Apps, Snowflake, anywhere. And next, good to have knowledge on merge and upsert activities, self joins, group by, and you already received one case study. You'll be receiving another case study after few more concepts. Okay, so you'll practice all these items from before last week until previous class. You'll be receiving detailed how-tos. These are all the basic how-tos that we learned. And next, using SQL, we learned how to verify, how to create database, tables, data insert, then how to create, how to import data from files, then how to create schemas, how to query tables inside user defined schemas we learned. Then we learned how to migrate or transfer tables across schemas. In this journey, we also learned how to query and slice the data and how to use SQL operators in, not in, between, not between, like, not like, etc. How to use top and, come on, what's the opposite of top, please? Hope you remember. Opposite of top, you remember, please, everyone, please. I'll wait, please. Opposite of top, please. Opposite of top. I know you're serious, you're cautious with your course. Opposite of top, please.
Bottom.
Offset, forgot, offset, right, isn't it?
Yeah, offset.
Yeah, I remembered, sir. Offset.
Fine, yeah, please, need your support. Okay, please complete all your practice thoroughly. Please do it for me, please help me, please help me. Okay, by weekend, please complete all your practice. Please help me, need your support. Well, next, from here, what else? Let's see. Just wait for a few moments. I'm just documenting the things here. Please wait. Documenting the responses. Let's continue. Next, after these how-tos, yes, here it is. After these how-tos, so far till now, we have top and offset, right? We have top and offset. Then we learned next item, how to use order by, right? And how to use the other concepts. Very recently we learned about where, on, conditions, right? This one we learned. So this is one line from the initial basics we learned. I'll just put this way. Yes, this way I shall include few more items here. I shall include few more items. We learned how to define tables with relations, how to verify relations. Come on, how to verify relations across tables, please. Hope you remember. Please, I'll wait. Please help me. Yeah. How to verify relations across tables?
You can have a diagram. You can generate a diagram.
Exactly. How to verify relations, your database diagram, and how to define candidate keys in tables. Candidate keys means, remember, primary key, unique key. Okay.
Yeah, using constraints.
Primary key and unique key are called candidate keys. Let me put them in order like this. Then how to generate sequence values and how to insert default values and how to ensure valid data inserts. Okay, these are the items we learned in the earlier classes. I'm just giving everything in a single nutshell. Okay, it should be easier for our practice. Then come on, what else we learned? How to compare tables and how to combine tables. Compare and combine we learned. Then how to join tables with the different columns. How to add keys to existing tables. Yes, we learned in this order. Okay, I'll just cut it and paste it here. I'll provide you all this checklist, okay, for your weekend reference. Please go through it carefully. Next, how to join tables. How to perform one-way comparisons. How to perform two-way comparisons. We learned these items. Then how to report all possible permutations. So last 3 weeks we learned all these items practically, and apart from this we also learned how to perform filtered joins. I request you to go through the things carefully. How to slice empty or null values. Remember, E is null. Yes, E is null. Last week classes, joins
Yes.
concept, E is null. Please, you remember?
Yes. Yes.
Item number 9. Okay, this one. We learnt about joins concept, types of joins, and is null, is not null. We learned them. This one, where conditions. Yes. And after that, we learned how to define views, how to implement RLS, right? Row level security, and how to prevent unwanted inserts, and how to prevent orphan views, and how to report and perform DML operations on the views. Right? These items we learnt in views concept, and how to verify views, how to read the definition of the views, and how to verify views using SQL. This is using GUI. And how to read metadata from system views. These are the items we learnt in our views basics. Then we learnt about the concept of procedures, how to define stored procedures, and there we learnt how to use SPs for data validation and how to use SPs for dynamic reporting and how to work with parameters in SPs. Then we learned few more items here. Just wait. Yep, here it is. I'll take this one and paste it. Okay. Yes, we learned how to work with system procedures and how to fix a broken stored procedure. We learned it. And how to resolve slow running procedure. Okay, we learned these items. From here, we also learned few more items pertaining to functions, triggers. So functions, okay? Triggers will do it today. So we'll continue this list after our next concept. So we are halfway in between. So whatever we learned so far till now, I pasted them here for your easy reference. Let's move on to our next concept. Then we'll come back to this list and continue. Case study. Hope